Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy of Scott Leroy Marketing coming in for another weekly tip. And today's tip is on the new and exciting platform that is launched for y'all of Lone Wolf Transact. So just a reminder, DocuSign will still be accessible until July 14th, 2026. But if you do want to get a jump start on utilizing Lone Wolf Transact before that date, this will help to get everything rocking and rolling right away. So let's take a look at how you can set this up immediately on here. All right, so first thing first, what we're going to do is we're going to sign into Command. And then under Command, we're going to click on our name at the top right. And then select Settings from the drop-down menu. So we're going to access the back end of our settings to view all the connected applications. All right, now from here, we're now going to click on the Connect option next to Lone Wolf. So just a reminder, you're going to see under Digital Signature and Transactions, Lone Wolf, DocuSign, and .loop. I do want to give you all a heads up. DocuSign, after this is officially retired, will not be accessible back here, but .loop will. So just a heads up, you'll have Lone Wolf and .loop. So if you are still using .loop, you're okay. All right, so under Lone Wolf, I'm going to click on the Connect Account option. And the great part about this is that if you have a Lone Wolf account, you can actually utilize that. So if you had one before that you were using, you can continue to use that and sign in right away. Now, if you don't, we can click the sign up button immediately too. So I'm going to sign up with mine real quick. We'll put inside our email, click continue. And now we're going to put inside some of our information. So I'm going to put in the name, first name, last name, country. So I'm going to select USA. I'll put in my state. Obviously, if you're in Canada, make sure you put inside your province. And then for the password on here, it is going to give you some stipulations that I would highly suggest utilizing all of these if you can. You know, uppercase, lowercase, number, special character. You can't have more than 2 identical characters in a row. All right, it has to be at least 10 characters on here. I would highly suggest making your password as long as possible. That'll make it even harder for anyone to try to get inside. All right. Now, once this is completed, I'm going to click that continue button. All right, as you can see, it's thinking right now. And once this is done, it's now going to send me a verification code to my email that's valid for 5 minutes. I'm going to pull this up real quick and grab that code. Here we go. And to give you an idea of what this will look like, it's going to pop up right on here saying from Lone Wolf Technologies, no-reply at lwolf.com. Thanks for signing up. Here's your code. So I'm going to copy that, put it inside, and click continue. All right, and once we do that, there we go. All right, so now I'm linked on here. It's going to pop up with a few items. This is where I can access Lone Wolf immediately. So if I click X on this and I go back to, well, I don't even need to. I thought I was going to have to connect the account again, but it looked like it didn't update that. But now I can see Transact is now ready in my opportunities. I'm now connected on here, and we're good to go. It's that simple to go through and adjust it. So there you go. So that is your KW Tech tip for the day.